What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when we had the tip above the range of resistance, the previous swing high right here, as you can see. And my main assumption was that you shouldn't enter your short-term long position because we have decent chances to have a retracement. And as you can see from this bottom, we already formed 2 out of 3 impulsive waves. And definitely the higher this asset goes, the more probability we have that this asset will go south. And definitely for now we have even more chances to hit lower targets. And I have to say that this price action, as you can see, it hit the range of resistance that I marked back in the days, I guess several weeks ago. And we hit this range. And I've told you that from our previous accumulation point, we have to this current range about 23% of upside potential. From another accumulation point, we have about 34% of upside potential. And from this previous accumulation point, we have about 55% of upside potential. I have to say that we didn't hit my main target of roughly $24.4, and we still have this chance to hit it. But all in all, the higher this asset goes, the lower probability that we might hit this target we have. So definitely we should be very cautious with the next movement, but I have to say that if you follow my channel for quite some time, you benefited a lot from this recent price action from the mid of May till basically present day, because I nailed almost all of these movements and we had a very lucrative trades. So I will continue with my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you that CITIGROUP just one day ago reiterated its price target from $87 to $41.1, and they still have a buy rating, and the upside potential to this price target is more than 90%. Definitely it is a very good potential price target, and I have to say it is not the only company that set its price target on NIO stock. CICC, let me show it to you, CICC sees 30% upside for NIO, bullish on growth momentum for NT 2.0 platform models. CICC says NIO is a leader in the premium smart electric vehicle segment and that its NT 2.0 platform models will bring new growth momentum. And CICC gave NIO shares traded in Hong Kong a target price of $196 Hong Kong dollars in research not on Friday, implying a 26.2% upside from the company's closing price of 155.3 Hong Kong dollars on Thursday. The price target corresponds to an EV revenue multiple of 4 times in 2022. The investment bank also raised its price target on NIO's US traded shares by 8.7% to $25, implying an upside of 30.3% according to their research note. And for those of you who don't know what CICC is, it is a top-tier Chinese multinational investment management and financial services company, founded in China in 1995. So definitely it is one of the best investment and management companies on the Chinese market. And let me show you another news related to NIO. On cnvpost.com on June the 20th, we have this article that is titled NIO's 2022 ES8, ES6 and EC6 open for order in China. Deliveries expected to begin in August. Definitely this news is a very good and bullish news on NIO, because these vehicles might drastically increase their delivery rates, and I have to say that for now, in my opinion, NIO is not performing very well in terms of its deliveries, because their target is to produce and deliver about 200,000 vehicles this year. But for now, they didn't achieve even half of this. And definitely this target, in my opinion, won't be reached if we won't see some huge increase of their deliveries. And this is one of the parts of this increase. And definitely if we'll see further steps in this direction, we still have a possibility to see 200,000 vehicles by the end of this year. So, and let's continue with this news. It is quite good and bullish news as well, and NIO stores in Shanghai see traffic return to pre-COVID lockdown levels. NIO's stores in Shanghai have seen traffic return to full pre-COVID lockdown levels, with the city's travel restrictions lifted earlier this month. NIO's 27 stores in Shanghai have seen all staff return to their posts, and traffic at those stores has returned to levels seen before this round of COVID outbreak, Shanghai Securities News said in a report yesterday evening. And definitely, when we see the restoration of this traffic, definitely it might bring a lot of new customers to NIO. On top of this good news, we have another marketing news directly related to NIO, and it says NIO swap stations become tool to drive user referrals. Here is the latest trick. And let me go to this. NIO owners who refer a friend for a test drive this summer will have the opportunity to paint the walls of the company's battery swap stations. And definitely here is one of the examples of this painting. And I have to say that for a lot of people this might be a challenge to bring as much people to NIO as possible in order to have an opportunity to paint these swap stations. And definitely it is a very good marketing step, and in my opinion it also might increase the total delivery numbers of NIO. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Definitely we are forming the third wave, third impulsive waves, and if it is the case, we probably might have, this is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth wave, and we might have the top of our fifth wave at this very point, or we might hit some higher targets, probably the $24.41. That was my price target since the mid of May. And let's assume that we might hit it. And if it is the case, definitely right after we form the fifth wave, we should have a retracement. And because of this assumption, we have much more chances to hit lower targets in upcoming sessions, in upcoming weeks. And this will be the next opportunity for you to re-enter your position and to make some very good profits with this asset. So what should you do if you want to invest in this asset? Just wait for the price action that will hit lower price targets, because if even in the case that we might have one more leg to the upside that might hit some a bit higher targets, at the end of the day we will see this retracement, and this retracement will be an opportunity for you to re-enter your position. And for the swing traders position, I highly recommend you not to enter your position as well, because we have much more downside potential for the next leg than the upside potential, and that is why just stay cautious. And I will do another update, and I have to say that fundamentally this company becomes even more attractive, and when I see more signs of trend reversal, I will show you the exact levels and I will show you the exact setup. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium